In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status colors in ClickUp. If you want your workflow to feel more organized and easier to scan at a glance, updating your status colors can make a big difference. Color coding helps you quickly identify where tasks are in the process, whether something is waiting, in progress, or completed. The good news is that ClickUp makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. To get started, first find the exact location where the statuses are being used. This could be a space, a folder, or a list, depending on how your ClickUp workspace is set up. It's important to go to the correct location, because status settings can vary depending on where they're applied. Once you've found that location, move your mouse over it and click the three-dot menu. This opens the options for that specific area. If you don't immediately see what you need, take a second to make sure you're hovering over the right space, folder, or list before opening the menu. From there, look for the status settings option. In some cases, this will appear as task statuses, and in others, it may say list statuses. Click that option to open the status configuration panel. This is where you'll be able to review and update the statuses assigned to that part of your workspace. If custom statuses are not already enabled, select Use Custom Statuses. This step is only needed when the location is still using inherited or default state statuses. Turning on custom state statuses gives you direct control over the status setup for that specific area. Next, find the status whose color you want to change. Scroll through the list if needed, and make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have several similar workflow stages. Taking a moment here can help avoid updating the wrong status by accident. Now click the color indicator next to the status name. A color picker should appear, allowing you to choose a new color. Pick the one that best matches your workflow and is easy to recognize visually. A good tip here is to use colors consistently across similar statuses, so your workspace stays intuitive and clean. After choosing the new color, click Apply Changes or Save to confirm the update. This final step makes sure your changes are stored and reflected in the workspace. And that's it! You've successfully changed the status color in ClickUp. This is a small customization, but it can really improve visibility and help your team navigate tasks more efficiently. Thanks for watching.